Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing video, guys. So yeah, let's spark this video up, shall we? It's gonna be the unboxing of the last guy I need. It is King Helios ZN1B. So yeah, it's King Helios. I'm butchering it. 1B. For the, basically kind of like a dashi tip, and king for the actual disc, one balance, and then zone. So yeah, let's get to the Lespin brother. I am actually trying to watch it on, watch this series, but I do have a VPN. And it's not really showing for some reason. I'm going to check again today, but it wasn't showing, saying it was blocked, even though I had a VPN on it. Oh god, stickers. And a whole bunch of stickers on this one. Yay. I was going to get the stadium, but I couldn't wait, and I was waiting for this other guy I usually buy from to get these in. Only took a week or so. But yeah. Ooh, yeah. Another cool red, white, and blue, basically. Right now. It is Lespin. There we go. Let me move my soda. And this heavy duty thing right here. It's pretty beefy. But yeah, I'm going to put this back together and I will be putting the stickers on. For you, it'll be a few minutes, but for me, it'll take a 5-10 minutes at least, maybe. Just depends on how long it takes when we put the stickers on. There we go. Stronger teeth. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just put on all the stickers and it looks gorgeous like always. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And stay tuned for the battles. And goodbye.